The higher costs of borrowing due to increasing interest rates have had a non-pleasant effect on potential buyers, who find themselves forced to borrow less or pay more. Meanwhile, sellers are forced to settle for less than the soaring prices they have come to expect after years of rising values. Developers are also under pressure, and as a result, there are some discounts available, as the need to maintain cash flow encourages construction companies to sell off apartments for less than they would have hoped. And of course, future profits remain uncertain. If you have found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more videos, and write your comments or questions. The Israeli housing market is currently experiencing the following key trends. Higher costs of borrowing. Rising interest rates have led to increased borrowing costs for potential home buyers. As a result, buyers are either borrowing less or paying more for their loans, making it more challenging for them to enter the market. Private sellers holding out for high prices. Private sellers are reluctant to lower their asking prices, as they have become accustomed to the high prices that have prevailed in recent years. Many are waiting for buyers who are willing to meet their price expectations, leading to a slowdown in transactions. Discounts on new homes. Developers are facing pressure due to the market conditions. Some are offering discounts on new homes to maintain cash flow, which has made it somewhat more favorable for buyers to purchase newly constructed properties. Stable or slightly falling prices. Despite the turmoil, property prices are currently stable or slightly falling. However, this trend may reverse in the future as fewer new and second-hand homes become available, and as inflation eases and interest rates decrease. Rental rate increases. On the rental side, it appears that rental rates are increasing rapidly, with some landlords reportedly taking advantage of the limited rental options for tenants. Renters are facing higher renewal rates, and landlords are pushing prices higher. Tenancy renewals often see significant increases, sometimes up to 8 to 10% more than during the pandemic period. These market conditions are leading to prices remaining stable, and even falling slightly, but with less property available overall. There is a strong likelihood that prices will start to rise again as fewer new and second-hand homes come to market, and as, in time, inflation eases, and interest rates come down. The current market may have the most favorable conditions for buyers for some time. There are undoubtedly fewer crazy prices around, but after many months of continuous price increases, a family-sized apartment still costs a substantial amount relative to income, and significantly more than it did a year ago. Here are some specific property sales and rental listings in various Israeli cities. In Tel Aviv, Neve Dan neighborhood, a 4-room apartment sold for new Israeli shekel 4,325,000. In Petah Tikva, a 4-room apartment sold for 2,667,500 new Israeli shekels. In Rishon LeZion, a new 4-room apartment sold for 2,700,000 new Israeli shekels. In Haifa, a 4-room apartment sold for 2,400,000 new Israeli shekels. In Nahariya, a 4-room apartment sold for 1,625,000. In Modi'in, a 4-room apartment sold for 2,750,000 new Israeli shekels. In Ramat Beit Shemesh, a 4-room apartment sold for 2,600,000. In Jerusalem, a 4-room apartment sold for 2,600,000. In Beersheba, a 4-room apartment sold for 1,550,000. In Eilat, a 4-room apartment sold for 1,940,000. Rental listings. In Tel Aviv, a 2-room apartment is available for rent for 6,000 per month. In Givatayim, a 3-room apartment is available for 5,650 per month. In Bat Yam, a 3-room apartment is available for 4,200 new Israeli shekels. In Haifa, a 2-room apartment is available for 3,100 per month. In Kiryat Motzkin, a 3-room apartment is available for 2,700 per month. In Jerusalem, a 3-room apartment is available for 6,500 per month. In Piskat-Suev, a 2.5-room apartment is available for 3,500 new Israeli shekels. Please note that those prices and availability may change over time due to market dynamics, so it's essential to check the latest updates if you are interested in buying or renting property in Israel. If you have found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe for more videos and write your comments or questions.